Butter fish or Pabda fish are cut well and washed. Marinate it with salt and turmeric powder. Add oil to hot pan. Add fish to very hot oil. Cover with a lid, otherwise the hot oil will spill over the body. After 3 minutes, turn off the flame and open the lid and flip the fish over. Now cover with a lid and turn on the oven. After 2 minutes, open the lid and take the fish out of the pan. Add black cumin seeds to the same oil. Add 2 cloves of garlic and ginger paste. Fry on low flame. Add water where the spices were grinded and add that water to the pan. When the broth boils, add the fried fish one by one. Now add coconut milk. Stir a little. Cook on high flame. Add salt and turmeric powder. Add mustard seeds and green chili paste. Mix it up. Cook for a while. Do not overcook. Garnish with mustard oil and green chili. Serve it nicely.